aluminum for?
I have to straighten the hair, I guess. I don't know.
Meters.
But she turned the beast into a dress.
Okay.
Oh, this is fish skin. Okay, what are we doing here? You know they do. I think it's with tilapia. They if you have burns on your face, they put tilapia skin, and then it heals your face faster from burns.
It's not the changing of your skill. It's just for the healing.
Just for healing it. Yeah.
For healing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, but what they gonna do? So,
Ooh.
looks like in our bra, right?
Yep, it looks like a brassiere. Okay. Ugh, I don't know about the texture. It just looks too slimy, you know?
Yeah.
Aha, okay.
But now they dry.
I prefer like the Little Mermaid seashells, you know?
Yeah.
Those are a little bit more terrifying.
It's more, you know, as it would happen in real life.
Yeah, this is a Netflix special Little Mermaid.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know.
These are very suspect. Oh, a nice little pearl.
Pearl.
Where are they going? I don't think it's real. No.
No, me too.
Especially with them
Looks
drilling
like
in
fake,
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
So maybe they will put some seashell.
I don't know why. For some reason, hole punching in fish skin is very disturbing. Eyelid. Okay. We're gonna corsage it. All right.
I would never thought that you can make some dress out of fish skin.
Yeah, I don't think most people would.
Wow.
You have to have a special 5-minute crafts mind to comprehend the complexity of this innovation. Wow.
Wow, I guess.
Yeah.
Time for...
What is she doing?
What?
Ooh. Okay. I mean, it happens, you know.
It happens. It could happen.
What should I do?
I don't
know. Oh wait, no, she knows.
Oh, I have scissors.
Oh, this is weird.
No,
this isn't what you do.
We just got it off. Everything. Oh, the problem's solved.
Yeah, that's it. No more.
So trash.
Back. This is it. That was like a Louis Vuitton dress, and now it's you know,
fashion.
bathroom Vuitton.
Bathroom Vuitton. I like it.
Fix with tape. Wow, this is next level actually.
It's some bra. Back bra.
Back bra.
Back bra.
Back bra. Okay, so it looks like a dress, sort of. Sure.
It's kind of weird.
Wait, they're adding frills on the side. Maybe it's gonna be like it looks like a prom dress. You know? If I ever had a date for prom, it would look, you know, maybe like that.
Like that. Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
I wouldn't know. All right. Wow. It's really. I feel like you get hot in it though.
I was wondering why they cut it off all her dress before.
That's true.
You know
it's for material. It's for crafting material.
Now we know, right? Just don't touch that part.
Yeah. Save that part for something else, some other craft. Okay, I think this is gonna be the corsage, like the. Oh no! Wow.
This cleaning lady should change her job. I guess.
Yeah, she should be paid more. They should really. Yeah. Wow. Okay, what's next? What are we thinking? Maybe a hat, a scarf.
A hat. No, I think it's for sleeves. You know, it's like. What?
What are we doing? Is it a handbag? It's a handbag.
Handbag?
Maybe.
Actually, I like this idea. Do it be loudly. Just imagine she destroyed her bag.
I mean, if you destroy a dress, you might as well get a handbag back. You know. That
Okay.
Sure.
What about bucket? You destroyed bucket.
Yeah.
First of all, it's your acquirement.
No, that's the helmet.
Now it's a helmet.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
She fresh.
Look at that. She fresh for sure. Bam!
Okie dokie. Okay, that's a fashionable.
Rocking that garbage chic. Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know either. It's so confusing. What are we doing? Clay? Okay. It looks like a tree. Looks like a tree roots system.
Yeah. Bra roots.
Yeah, brutes.
Brutes.
The brutes.
Mm-hmm. And what is this?
I don't know. It's like a silicone mold.
Oh. I know something about this fashion.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Ah!
Wow, I
That
thought
was so close.
Yeah. Oh, thanks God. I mean,
Yeah.
it would be fun.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to post this,
Yeah.
so yeah. Okay, so tin. We're using some tin. We're making metal mold. It looks kind of cool. I don't know how it's gonna fit on someone.
I think it bended well.
Yeah?
You can, you can adjust it on your body. I guess so.
Okay.
This kind
I
of
believe
metal should be shaped well. We'll see.
Ooh, that would be really satisfying, cutting off all the
Yeah.
excess.
Okay, let me get some additional pieces.
Not too bad, not too bad. I like what I'm seeing.
Whoa!
That
Oh,
looks
that
sharp.
yeah. And see. Oh,
And then they're
here we
bending
go.
it.
That's true. That's true. You need to be careful with it.
Yeah.
Or you
And
can.
then they're polishing it. I think they're gonna put like maybe some leather or something, and then they'll put it on top of the leather so it won't poke you.
That would be clever decision.
It might be that. I don't know.
We'll see now. See. Okay.
All right. That looks like a
Nice
cool little
lighting.
craft room.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's one thing as well.
I'm interested to see this actually on someone. What does it look like? Or they're just not gonna show us.
They're not gonna show it.
Yeah.
It's
Probably because it's too pointy. They tried it and they were like, nope. Ow.
maybe.
After a couple lawsuits, they were like, nah. Okay, we got a long dress.
You were
Oh,
wrong.
I was wrong. It looks cool.
Wow. From this point. Okay, now.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool, right? Not bad.
Whoa.
Oh, what was that? It's some.
Okay, why are you ruining your... Okay. Does hair just come out like that?
I guess no.
Is that how you made your beard? You just took your hair and you just... Don't tell anyone.
Yes. It looks like
Wow. Ooh, okay, this is like, this is giving me weird vibes. I don't know.
Ooh, that's crazy. What is aluminum for?
I have to straighten the hair, I guess? I don't know.
We need to test it.
Guys, what does aluminum do on hair? Okay, glue, yeah.
More hair.
More hair?
Uh-huh.
I'm so confused. What are they doing?
It looks ugly, honestly, for me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Beauty
wait.
is subjective, but this is objectively ugly.
I'm speechless.
I don't even know. I don't even know. Okay. Hair. Bra. Okay, what is this? What's the point of the... It's see-through. Okay.
Maybe
It's like mosquito net. Maybe she just like keeps getting bit by mosquitoes. And hair and the netting will protect her.
more practical thing.
It wasn't her real hair. Who would have known?
Yeah.
It looked very convincing. And she's braiding it too. Do you ever braid your hair?
No, I don't
No?
have enough.
Okay. But like
It's not long enough.
What about your head hair?
Head hair.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I also don't like it. Okay. Ooh. I mean, it is like a lot of skill that's going into this, but at the same time, exactly, it gives me shivers to look at. What do you guys think?
Yeah, write us in the comments. But I mean, I guess.
Oh, flowers! Yay! I hate it when you like roll around in some twigs and you get flowers stuck in your hair. That's exactly what this is.
I think it's a dress. For
She's eating the hair.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat hair. I mean, it's high fiber.
And it's, yeah.
Yeah. It's like when okay, and they're putting hairspray on it. Genius.
How they cut it.
I don't know.
And to
about
wash
that
it,
one.
you'll use a... What are you gonna use?
I really don't know. It looks nice. Like from afar, it would look nice, and then when you get closer, it goes from wow to
You weirdo.
From afar, it looks nice.
I'm not sure about
Because
this.
it just looks like a yellow dress. It looks like a Beauty and the Beast dress.